Hello and welcome. This person from the Ue5 beginners group on Facebook wanted me to make a video on how to attach the AI perception component to the head bone so that the perception turns and moves with the animations on the bot. So, basically, it would look something like this. However, this functionality is not exposed to blueprints, so we would have to use a little bit of C++. This is a blank Ue5 project that I am going to use for this tutorial. Let's first import our assets. Now, let's add our C++ character class. I will name it character base. The bots need to inherit from this C++ class for this to work. Now, override the getActorIsViewPoint function like this. Then, implement the function in the CPP file like this. Build the solution and open up the editor. We are done with C++, the rest will be done in blueprints only. Now, we need to create a blueprint child of our C++ character we just made, and set it up as shown here. We also need an AI controller for this. The AI perception component will be added to the AI controller. Add the sight sense to the AI perception component and also tick the detect neutrals box inside the detection by affiliation section. If you are interested in setting up detection by affiliation, check out my video on the topic. Don't forget to set the AI controller class inside our character blueprint, so that it uses our custom AI controller. The last thing we need to do is to add a socket to the head bone and make sure that it is rotated so that the Z-axis points up and the X-axis points forward. Just set it up as shown here. Let's play and test. To enable the debug view, press apostrophe and then 4. As you can see, it is working. Hope that you find the video useful. Subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.